It's now possible with the latest Bagless cordless Dyson cleaners to empty the bin hygienically without making any mess or spraying dust everywhere. And it only takes 5 seconds with practice, and this is how. Most Bagless cleaners are criticised for making a cloud of choking dust when emptying. Part of this is down to poor design for some products, and part is down to user error. If dust is dropped from height so it lands hard, the impact can cause a splash of dust back at the user. And so, the trick is to avoid dropping the dust from height and causing the splash. The problem is, many cheap knockoff Bagless cleaners have poorly thought out bin emptying mechanisms, which makes it very difficult to get deep into the bin before releasing the dirt, often relying on needing to press a button near the trapdoor where the dirt comes out. The original Bagless cleaner by Dyson has provided a mechanism to achieve remote bin opening for many generations now. Pressing the button at the top near the handle opens the bin trapdoor from a distance, so you can point it deep into the bin near the base before opening, allowing the dust to gently slide out. The V10 cordless cleaner employs a similar point-and-shoot method. So, to demonstrate, put the machine inside the bin near where the dust will land before opening the trapdoor. The dust will slide out and land more gently without producing an airborne cloud. If you do accidentally splash dust, then after closing the bin, you can simply activate the machine to suck any straggling dust particles to prevent them settling. As you can see here in 3 different real-world examples ranging from normal household dust to fine flour, there is no cloud, and no dust is later found to have settled around the outside of the bin, proving once and for all that it works if done correctly. And best of all, this method of emptying doesn't add any disposable costly bags into landfill either, which adds up across a nation, is discussed in the video with the first link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.